Hello guys, this is Lawrence once again with another Arduino project. So this project is all about humidity and the temperature monitor. So first of all, I try to come up with the code for this project. Okay, first of all, before going to the project or the coding, I'm having the actual wiring done already here, and after writing this program, so I uploaded it to the Arduino board. So this one here is Arduino board. I uploaded it to the Arduino board through this USB cable. You just have to connect it to the computer and connect this terminal to the Arduino, and then with that you can now come to the software. That is after writing all your code's ready. But with this code there is something tricky. You see, from the start of the program, I have to include some libraries. So the first library, which is for the liquid crystal. So the liquid crystal library is the one that is for calling or activating this screen here. This screen is what is called the liquid crystal. This one is the screen. So you have to include this library that is to activate this screen. Then the next one, we are having the DHT library. So mostly this library is not found in the Arduino either. So you have to go to the Arduino website, which is arduino.cc.com. Then you go to libraries. So under libraries you go to sensors, and then if you go to sensors, and then you search for DHT library. Or if you are using this Arduino Arduino IDE software nightly, you can just open the software and go and search it on libraries manager. Then you can install it direct to your software. So this is how you will get this library. So this library here is to activate this sensor. So this sensor here is what is the main one that is detecting the temperature and humidity. So for you to call for this sensor to work, you have to call its library that is to activate that sensor. So now the rest of the steps are now like how to set up these sensors and the LCD and the Arduino to operate. So finally, I've called up some of the module. There is the module for the DHT, even the type of the library. All this is just required in the code. Then coming to the void setup, you are seeing that I've written something about DHT begin. DHT begin is for me to start the sensor. Then LCD begin. This is also to start the display screen, that liquid crystal display screen. So the reason why I'm having those 16 and 2, I'm having all the explanation written there on the comment section. LCD screen is 16 characters by line, and so on. Then it continues on. So this is all the code for this project here. Then coming here, This program I've already loaded it to the Arduino, so which I can what I can use an external power supply. An external power supply here. I'm using this 9 volts rechargeable battery to supply the Arduino, which, if you see me, yes, pardon, just by connecting but we still somehow complicated. Let me plug it in. So you can see after plugging it in, the display would immediately is activated. But now for the display screen, you can see has already started displaying humidity percentage and temperature in Fahrenheit. So now I'm having this component here, the potentiometer what resistor. So this one, it is just for adjusting the brightness or the clear or the clarity of the LCD screen. So far from here, I'm now out to test my project outside. So the good thing is today the weather is very cloudy, so I think it will